how to fix if smart lock not working on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this side button, and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the smart lock will start working properly. But if it's still not working, then open settings, scroll down and tap on apps, and then again tap on this apps option. Now go to the search bar and search for Google services. So tap on Google Play services and then go to its storage. Now clear the app data and cache memory of Google Play services. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache and then cache memory will be cleared. And to clear the app data, tap on manage storage, and from here tap on clear data, and then from the pop-up again tap on delete to confirm. So when you will tap on this delete option, it will delete the app data, and after that the smart lock will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue while using the smart lock, then try updating your phone's software. So for that, open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then in system and updates tap on software update. Now from here, if you have not updated your phone's software, then tap on download and install to update the software. And after updating your phone's software, the smart lock will start working properly. So that's how you can fix if smart lock is not working on your Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.